Ever heard of a financial app that lets you manage your money, invest, and even snag cashback rewards, all rolled into one? That's the magic of Vivid Money. But with all the bells and whistles, a crucial question pops up. Who regulates Vivid Money, and what does that mean for you? Think of financial regulators as the referees of the money game. They ensure everything plays fair and protects consumers like you and me. Let's dive into the world of Vivid Money and uncover the watchdogs keeping things secure. Vivid Money's multifaceted services. Vivid Money isn't your average bank account. It's a financial hub that juggles multiple services, each with its own regulatory dance. Here's a breakdown. Everyday banking. Need a place to park your cash and make payments? Vivid Money partners with Solaris SE, a licensed German bank, for these services. This means Solaris, under the watchful eye of the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, BaFin, oversees your everyday banking transactions. Investing, feeling adventurous and wanting to grow your money? Vivid Money BV, a Dutch subsidiary, handles the investment side of things. They operate under the regulations of the Dutch Authority for Financial Markets, AFM, ensuring compliance for your investment activities. E-Money and Payments. Vivid Money SA, another subsidiary based in Luxembourg, issues your virtual debit card and handles electronic money transactions. This falls under the purview of the Commission de Surveillance du Secteur Financier, CSSF, Luxembourg's financial watchdog. What does this mean for you? This multi-layered regulatory approach might seem complex, but it offers several benefits. Security. Each regulatory body has strict rules regarding consumer protection and data security. This means your money and personal information are held to a high standard. Transparency. Regulations promote clear communication from financial institutions. Vivid Money should be transparent about fees, risks, and investment products. Dispute resolution. If you encounter issues with Vivid Money, you can leverage the regulatory framework for complaints and potential redressal. Remember, it's not just about regulations. While regulations provide a safety net, it's important to be your own financial advocate. Here are some additional tips. Read the fine print. Before signing up for any service, understand Vivid Money's terms and conditions. Familiarize yourself with fees, investment risks, and dispute resolution procedures. Do your research. Don't blindly trust any financial app. Research Vivid Money's reputation, customer reviews, and investment offerings. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Use Vivid Money alongside other investment vehicles for a well-rounded financial strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Stay tuned for more insightful dives into the world of finance and making your money work for you.